Hello and welcome back to my channel. So normally I do not do this, but today I'm going to actually be reviewing one of the courses that I started taking, and this is all focused on AI. So if you are someone that is interested in AI, you want to learn how to make money with AI, or you're just kind of intrigued by what AI really is, then stick around. I will show you a full review of the course that I started taking, and I absolutely love it. I've already learned so much, and it's starting to make so much sense to me. So the course that I'm taking is called AI Freedom Launchpad. I am not a tech expert, but I am someone that wants to understand AI, especially as it is evolving so much on a daily basis. I want to know how I could get started, what I could do, and how I could use this to make an additional form of income. So I wanted to fully understand how are people using it to earn money online. And this is actually one of the courses that I've taken on AI that actually makes sense. I've already started creating my own images and putting out products due to me learning this AI system. But before we continue going forward, I kind of wanted to put this PowerPoint together, and actually I used AI to create it. So I use Gamma, which is a PowerPoint system that uses AI to create this PowerPoint. So I went ahead and laid it out, especially if you're a visual learner like myself, then this is going to be extremely helpful for you. So go ahead and follow along. So I'm going to give you a little background as to who I am and what even got me here in the first place. So, my journey with AI and digital products in general, the digital world was something new to me. So, I have over 15 years in retail, and I worked my way up the ladder, starting from cashier all the way up to a salaried management position. I worked long hours, I worked day shifts, night shifts. So I know what it is to put in the work and continue to go up the ladder, but then you reach this cap. So in 2022, I discovered this whole online world. I discovered a new group of people. I started changing my mindset. I started learning new things, taking courses, going to conferences. And this is what led me here to get involved in this online world. And now more than ever, AI is growing, AI is evolving. So here we are. I discovered personal development, AI tools, and everything has changed since then. As you can see, the pictures down below are actually both AI generated images. On the left hand side here, you have me on my retail career, and on the right side is just me thriving and getting started on this AI journey. Right, so here we are. And if you are someone like me, you've probably done your research too. You've searched free YouTube videos, looked and looked and looked, and everything just seems overwhelming and confusing. You don't know where to start. You don't know if you're too advanced or you're too behind. You're just like, maybe this is not for me. So I know what you're thinking. The AI struggle is real. So you have information overload, technical barriers, and no real clear path on how to get started, right? You're just getting bombarded, you're getting fed all of this information, but you just don't know where to start. So, what I like about the AI Freedom Launchpad is that it walks you step by step, especially if you're just starting from zero, you're a complete beginner. It'll explain to you what AI is and how you could use it. So, AI Freedom Launchpad is more than just a course. It is your complete income blueprint. This course does not just teach AI tools, it shows you exactly how to monetize them. So, this course teaches you tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Bio to create content, build digital assets, and also resell the entire system if it is something that you want to do. So you're probably thinking, who is this course really for? Is this for me? This is going over my head. Maybe this is too much. So if you're a creator, if you're a stay-at-home parent, if you own your own business, or if you're wanting to start creating your own business or starting up something online, or maybe you're just looking for a different form of income, then this is for you. It is beginner friendly, which is absolutely amazing. Again, especially if you're someone that has no idea how to get started. It does not require any fancy setup. And honestly, it has helped me from watching others earn money online through AI to now finally me being in those same shoes. This is why I am passionate to show you exactly what I am doing, what I am learning, because I know how helpful it has been in my life, and I know how helpful it could be for you. So I'm going to go ahead and break it down, just give you a little insight on what AI Freedom Launchpad is, or what to expect and what is inside AI Freedom Launchpad. So you're going to get things like the AI foundations. What is AI, right? Rather than getting thrown all these different types of lingos that we don't understand, it's going to go ahead and give you some content creation ideas and how to use AI to help you with content creation. Now, if you are someone that just does not want to be on camera, you don't feel comfortable being on camera, you're like, this is not for me, then this is also a course for you, because now you could see how you could use AI to create faceless channels with, or even duplicate yourself. You could create your own AI twin And the person that you generated with AI could be the one creating these videos for you. If in case you don't feel comfortable doing this one-on-one person to camera, you could actually use AI to help you with this. So showing you the systems that you could put in place to go ahead and have this running in the background even while you sleep. There is multiple ways to monetize this by creating your own channel, by doing YouTube, any social media platforms, and also you are able to sell this course as your own. The great thing about this and the biggest opportunity is that you could take this from being a side hustle to now creating a full-time income. And like I mentioned, you could sell this system as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Now, does that sound interesting to you? Is this something that you might be interested in learning? So if this is something that piques your interest and it is something that you might want to consider getting started, you're probably asking yourself, how much is this? Like, this already sounds like there is so much value in this program. I went ahead and gave you a little screenshot of what my AI Freedom Launchpad looks like. So you get a total of 25 lessons, which is still growing. They are still adding more to this AI Freedom Launchpad, and you get lifetime access. Get a total of 9 modules. Again, it's going to walk you step by step as to how you could go ahead and get started using AI, how you could create this second stream of income. So you get templates, you get tools, you get step by step, you get videos, you get everything that you need, basically walking you through the whole process on how to use AI. Plus, don't forget, you also get the resale rights. You can offer this whole system for yourself. And honestly, I've spent so much money taking courses, and this is one of the best courses I have taken for the price. It is amazing. It has so much value for just $97. So why I believe so much in this program is because this program was created by one of the best in the game right now, by Jonathan Montoya, who has personally proven that this is even possible. He is a 2C award, surpassing over 25 million. He has received a 2C award. I've met him, I've talked to him, and I am one of his students. As you can see, a lot of his students have gotten success with his systems because he sets the foundation and he walks you step by step. He really wants the best for his students and for us to show results and to be successful. So trust me when I say that I personally believe in what he teaches. You could also YouTube him yourself, Jonathan Montoya, and see all the amazing strategies and all the value that he gives for free. So these are some of the common concerns. I have zero tech experience. This system is designed specifically for beginners, so no coding or no technical skills are required. But if you're like, I don't want to be on camera, no problem. The methods here show valuable content without entering your face into the video. So like I mentioned, with learning AI, you could actually create a clone of yourself, so you never have to be on camera, or you could even start a Faceless channel. And how do you do that? By learning the skills that it takes to start this process. And you're probably asking yourself, are resale rights really included? Can I really earn 100% profit from this course? And the answer is yes. You get 100% of the resale rights. You can sell the system and keep all of the profits. And let me be clear, I am not some AI pro. I barely know how to use a computer, to be honest with you, but this system has shown to me how easy it is to use, how simple it is to take this course. As it walks me through step by step, I am myself creating AI images of myself, which I never thought possible. I am able to monetize what I create by using AI. So this is an amazing opportunity, and this is just getting started. So if you don't start now, then you'll never know what you could miss out on. So I'm 100%, I believe in this course. I have taken it. It has walked me step by step, and it has built some confidence inside of me to know that I am able to use AI, and like the possibilities are endless. Thank you so much if you've made it this far and you've actually watched the full video. Again, I created this whole PowerPoint just to give you a visual of what it is that I'm learning, kind of to give you a breakthrough as to who I am, who is Jonathan Montoya, who created this course, what this course is about, maybe if it is for you. And I hope I answered some of the questions that you might be thinking or you might be wondering right now. If you've been curious about AI, or you're just looking for something that actually walks you through it, then definitely check this out. There is no pressure. I'm just really wanting to share something with you that I am 100% committed. I couldn't wait to finish the full course just so I could see what is possible. If you don't know how to properly prompt it or you don't know how to properly use AI, then you're basically not getting the best out of what it is that you could be doing or creating with AI. So if this is something that you might want to look into, I'll leave that link down below just so you could check it out. There is no obligation. Just see for yourself if this is even something that you might want to consider. Again, this is $97. I do not know how long these prices are going to be, but this is a steal. $97 for this full course. You get a complete system, you get full resale rights and lifetime access. And again, he is continuing to update it frequently. So this is a perfect opportunity, especially if you're a beginner, you're wanting to learn what AI really is, or if you want to create another form of income by using AI. If you have any questions, you could feel free to message me directly or leave it down in the comments. I would appreciate if you tell me if this video was even helpful. Let me know in the comments or what else you want to see. What I would personally like to do is build this whole series on AI, show you what I've been learning, but let me know, are you guys interested in learning something like that? Let me, like me walking you through the process on what it is that I'm learning, what I'm creating behind the scenes. Again, let me know. I'm just getting started and I'm so freaking excited about AI and what it has to offer. And this course could not have been the perfect start for me to even get started. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube PowerPoint presentation. Again, I created this and I just wanted to give something back to show you how excited I am about this course that I just started taking, how much I've learned, and how it could also help you if it is something that you even want to look into. So thank you so much and let me know down in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.